exploring innovation space. Now, we've seen that innovation is a journey from idea to creating value from that idea. But it's not a random journey. We need to think, first of all, about the distance we're going to go in terms of the novelty involved. Is this going to be incremental innovation, doing what we do better, or radical innovation, doing something different? And particularly, we've noticed that there's a spectrum of choice here. It's not either or, it's positioned along a spectrum. And we've also seen that we need to think about the direction of innovation, not just going randomly. And we've talked about the idea of an innovation compass, so that we could change what we offer the world, our product or service, product innovation. We can change the ways we create and deliver that, process innovation. We can change the context in which we place the innovation and the story we tell about it, position innovation. And we can change our underlying mental models, paradigm innovation. But in this film, we're going to look at another angle, which is basically the idea that innovation doesn't always take place at the same level.